Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use two numbers in one WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you want to add two numbers in your single WhatsApp application, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp. And after opening up your WhatsApp, now what you can do is just simply enter the passkey. And then what you have to do is just tap on the three-dotted icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, just simply tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now you'll find the drop down arrow beside your profile. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, you will find this option which is add account. Just tap on add account, and now you can add another account. So just tap on agree and continue, and then enter the number that you want to add. And after entering that number, what you can do is just tap on next. After tapping on next, just tap on continue. You have to enter the 6-digit code which you will receive in that number. So just enter that, and after entering that, now you will come up to this page where it will ask you if you would like to back up the messages. So if you want to do that, just tap on give permissions, but if you don't, then just tap on skip. And after doing that, now you have to just simply change the name, or you can add another name if you want. And after doing that, just simply tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have successfully added another number. So now what you can do is just again tap on the three-dotted icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings. And now if you just tap on the drop down arrow beside that profile, then you can switch between two numbers. So this is the first account, and the account that I have just added is the second one, and you can just simply switch between them. So here you can see guys, this is the way how you can just simply add two numbers in one WhatsApp. So that's it guys, this is how to use two numbers in one WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.